Hey, this is Lori, and I just want to give you a life hack today that is going to change a lot of angst that you have with some of your puppies that dig holes in your yard. We have these monster dogs, and when it rains, and it's been raining a bunch here in San Antonio, we have crazy dogs that lose their minds and try to dig holes all over our 5 acres into the center of the universe. So some of y'all saw that video that was just one of them, and I just happened to catch her doing it, but I wasn't picking on her. They all do it. But we have found a solution. I just need to be a little more vigilant. I haven't done that lately since it's been raining, but there is an absolute solution for that, and I want to show it to you today. You're going to need 2 things. You're going to need a great pooper scooper. You're going to need a shovel. You're going to need 3 things. And then you're going to need something that you want to fill that hole back up with. 3 things. A great pooper scooper, which I'm going to show you the one that we use. And, you know, we're professionals. We have 10 dogs that do that a lot. And they're large, so it's rather large. So we have insane amount of experience. And we have a lot of holes. So you're talking to a professional about this. So if you want to get rid of holes in your yard, it's kind of a disgusting way to fix it, but it fixes it, and it fixes it for good. So stay tuned. I'm going to unwrap this pooper scooper. I got a new one for y'all, so you wouldn't have to see the one that is well used. And there's a solution to make that even more hygienic to use. So I can't believe that this is the first life hack video I'm making for you, but it is a significant problem. If you have dogs, you've got to clean up after them. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the rest of this video. So stay tuned and get ready for the life hack of the century if your dog is a big hole digger. All right, talk to you later. Bye. All right, I'm back, and I've got this wheelbarrow full of pickup from our yard, and I'm going to take it to the holes. I apologize for this being so jerky. Obviously, this is my first video live, and I'm trying to hold this camera in one hand and shovel and wheelbarrow with the other. So as soon as I'm through with this video, I'm ordering me a GoPro, which are words I never thought would come out of my mouth. But anyway, we're filling up these holes. You're going to see some white stuff in there. Those are mushrooms. We've had all this rain, and mushrooms come out of the woodwork, and my dogs hate them. I am going to cover that with fresh dirt, and pretty soon the grass will cover it, and you will never know that that is full of pea, gravel, poo, and mushrooms. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have crazy dog diggers like I do, if you got any comments or questions, just drop them below. Please hit that subscribe button, and next week I will have another video on another life hack number 2. Thanks for watching.